How to make your own headless on Roblox mobile. You can create a fake headless avatar on Roblox for free using your mobile device. So, first of all, simply open the Roblox app. Then simply tap on or go to your avatar customizer in the app with the avatar logo. From here you will see the one that require points or that are completely free. Now if you want to edit your body, you can simply tap on avatars. And if you have the points, currently I have 0, and select which one do you like. For example, if you want to add the shadowy headphone, it costs 1519 points. So if you have that, you can easily tap on that and buy it and change it. If you want to change your body, you can see all of these tools are for free. So just simply tap on that you like, and the setting is applied right when you tap. And further you can customize right over here where you'll see hair and head section. If you want to change the head, you can simply see a lot of options that you like. That looks good. And in this way you can easily customize the avatar, for example clothing, accessories and all. But if you really want to try the headless version, you can simply tap on the search bar and type for headless. But you have to keep in mind that the official headless head is a highly coveted item, and the official item usually only goes on sale during Halloween events and costs a lot of Robux points. And you can also find some cheaper ones and see that suits best of you, like these one. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.